Baby. Oh, open. Open. Oh. Can you name the animals? What's this? Chicken. How about this one?
Pig.
Pig. This one?
No.
No, that's a cow.
Go.
Cow. This one? This one? Horse. Nay, good job. How about the meh? Goat. Say goat. This one? Duck. Say duck. Good job. Next one?
Bird.
Huh, what's that? What's that?
Bird.
Squid. This one, what's this, Franco?
Blue.
Octopus. This one?
Red.
Crab. How about this one?
Bird.
Starfish. How about the small one?
No.
Shrimp. Shrimp. This one? This one yummy. Lobster.
No. Bird.
Lobster. Good job. This one say dolphin. This one a jellyfish. Squid. Next one. Next one. Oh, what's that? What's this? Monkey. How about this one? Roar, tiger. How about the tarsier? Ang sabi ng tarsier? Big eyes. How about this one? Crocodile. How about this one? King of the jungle. This is a lion. Roar, good job. Oh, ang sabi ng tarsier? Big eyes. Big eyes. Yeah, crocodile. Next one. Oh, what's this? Dog. Ang sabi ng dog? Oh, how about this one? Cat. Sabi ng cat? Yeah. How about this one, small one? Huh? Mouse. Quick. How about this one? Turtle. How about this one? Rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. Sabi ng rabbit? Hop, hop, hop. This one? Fish. Goldfish. Goldfish. Next one? That's a guinea pigs. Next one, next one. Last one. Yeah, that's a rabbit. Last one na birds. Where's the birds? Oh, I'm sorry. What's this? Oh. What's that? Bird. Yeah, that's a pigeon. How about this one? Good job. Ang sabi ng bee? Buzz. What's this? Butterfly. This one? Dragonfly. How about this one? Bat. Good job. How about this one? Eagle. Eagle. No more na. Finish. Finish. Good job.